What's going on, guys? This is Eddie at RMC Miami doing a walk around video on our 84 Porsche 911. This car was originally a convertible, was converted to a coupe with a GT racing kit from the GT racing gang in Colorado. So it's now a wide body coupe. Looks like a 964. Super nice with the BBS magnesium wheels. It's got the little ducktail here. It's got big brakes front and rear. Full coilover conversion. Bunch of elephant racing bits. Car looks and runs fantastic. Was a California car its whole life before coming here to Miami, Florida. So it has a just an exhaust and a cob intake, cold air intake. A couple scuffs on the paint. The paint could use a nice buff ceramic coating and stuff to make it look real nice. But the car's in fantastic shape, runs really nicely. Interior is fantastic. It's got RS door cards, Alcantara dash, half cage, or roll cage, sorry. Sparco Evo seats with Schroth racing harnesses. Redline shift, redline pedals. Super clean. You go ahead and turn it on, cold start. It's got LED lights all inside as well. Go ahead and turn it on real quick. Dead cold. Does not blow any smoke. Sticker from California. No warning lights. Excellent oil pressure. Sounds really nice. Shut it down. You're looking for an outlaw build that won't break the bank and look phenomenal. This is your car. If you have any question on it, you can call me 305-527-6867. My name is Eddie. Follow us on Instagram at RMC Miami. My Instagram is Eddie_RMC Miami. Thanks for watching.